Top 25 IT Support Interview Questions and Answers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for an IT support interview and feeling nervous about technical or troubleshooting questions, don't worry. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 25 most common IT support interview questions, along with clear, practical answers that interviewers actually want to hear. Whether you're a beginner or switching careers into IT, this guide will help you speak confidently, think logically, and impress your interviewer. Let's get started. 1. What is IT support? And what does an IT support professional do? IT support is responsible for helping users resolve technical issues related to computers, software, networks, and hardware. An IT support professional ensures that systems run smoothly so employees can work efficiently. This includes troubleshooting hardware problems, installing and updating software, managing user accounts, resolving network connectivity issues, and providing guidance to non-technical users. IT support also plays a preventive role by maintaining systems, applying security updates, and documenting issues. Overall, IT support acts as the bridge between technology and users, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum productivity. 2. What are the most important skills for an IT support role? The most important skills for IT support include strong problem-solving abilities, technical knowledge, and excellent communication skills. You must understand operating systems, networking basics, and common software applications. Equally important is the ability to explain technical concepts in simple language to non-technical users. Patience and empathy are essential because users may be stressed or frustrated. Time management and documentation skills also matter, as IT support often handles multiple issues simultaneously. A successful IT support professional combines technical expertise with customer service skills. 3. How do you troubleshoot a computer that won't turn on? First, I would check basic power-related issues, such as ensuring the power cable is connected properly and the power outlet is working. Next, I'd inspect the power supply, battery, or adapter depending on whether it's a desktop or laptop. I would also look for indicator lights or error beeps. If those steps fail, I'd test with known working components such as a different power cable. Finally, I'd consider hardware failure and escalate if replacement or repair is required. What is the difference between hardware and software? Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system, such as the CPU, hard drive, RAM, keyboard, and monitor. Software, on the other hand, consists of programs and applications that run on the hardware, such as operating systems, web browsers, and office tools. Hardware is tangible and can be physically touched, while software is intangible and exists as digital code. Both are essential and work together. Hardware provides the platform, and software provides the instructions that make the system useful. 5. What operating systems are you familiar with? I am familiar with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. I understand Windows administration tasks such as user management, system updates, and troubleshooting common errors. On Mac OS, I can assist with application issues, permissions, and system preferences. I also have basic experience with Linux, including command line operations, file permissions, and package management. Understanding multiple operating systems helps me support a wider range of users and environments effectively. 6. How do you handle a difficult or frustrated user? When dealing with a frustrated user, I remain calm, patient, and respectful. I listen carefully to understand their issue without interrupting. Acknowledging their frustration helps build trust. I then explain the steps I'm taking in simple terms and provide realistic timelines. If the issue can't be resolved immediately, I keep them informed and follow up regularly. My goal is not only to fix the technical problem but also to ensure the user feels heard and supported. 7. What is Active Directory? Active Directory is a Microsoft service used to manage users, computers, and resources within a network. It allows administrators to create user accounts, assign permissions, enforce security policies, and control access to systems centrally. Active Directory simplifies management by organizing resources into domains and groups. In IT support, it's commonly used for password resets, account lockouts, and managing user access. It plays a critical role in maintaining network security and organization. 8. What is DNS, and why is it important? DNS, or Domain Name System, translates human-readable website names into IP addresses that computers can understand. Without DNS, users would need to remember numeric IP addresses instead of simple domain names. DNS is essential for internet browsing, email delivery, and network communication. When DNS fails, websites may not load even if the internet connection is active. In IT support, DNS issues are common and understanding them helps diagnose connectivity problems efficiently. 9. What steps would you take if a user cannot connect to the internet? First, I'd check whether the issue is affecting one user or multiple users. Then I'd verify physical connections like cables and Wi-Fi status. Next, I'd test connectivity by pinging known websites or IP addresses. I'd check IP configuration and DNS settings. Restarting the router or network adapter often resolves simple issues. If the problem persists, I'd escalate it to the network team with detailed documentation of the troubleshooting steps already taken. 10. What is a ticketing system? A ticketing system is a tool used to track, manage, and resolve IT issues reported by users. Each issue is logged as a ticket containing details such as the problem description, priority level, and resolution status. Ticketing systems help IT teams stay organized, ensure accountability, and meet service level agreements. They also provide valuable data for identifying recurring problems and improving IT services. Common examples include ServiceNow, Jira, and Zendesk. 11. What is the difference between TCP and UDP? TCP and UDP are communication protocols used for data transmission. TCP is connection-oriented, meaning it ensures data is delivered accurately and in order. It's reliable but slower. UDP is connectionless and faster but does not guarantee delivery or order. TCP is used for applications like web browsing and email, while UDP is commonly used for streaming, gaming, and video calls where speed is more important than accuracy. 12. What is malware? Malware is malicious software designed to harm, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to systems. Common types include viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and spyware. Malware can steal data, slow systems, or cause system crashes. IT support plays a key role in preventing malware by installing antivirus software, applying security updates, and educating users about safe browsing practices. Quick detection and removal are critical to minimize damage. 13. How do you prioritize support tickets? I prioritize tickets based on urgency and impact. Issues affecting multiple users or critical systems receive the highest priority. Security-related problems are also treated as urgent. Less critical issues, such as minor software requests, are scheduled accordingly. Clear communication with users helps manage expectations. Using priority levels within the ticketing system ensures efficient workflow and timely resolution of the most important issues. 14. What is remote desktop support? Remote desktop support allows IT professionals to access and control a user's computer remotely. This helps diagnose and fix issues without being physically present. Tools like TeamViewer, AnyDesk, and Remote Desktop Protocol are commonly used. Remote support saves time, reduces downtime, and improves efficiency. It also allows IT support to assist users in different locations while maintaining security and user consent. 15. What is a VPN? A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, creates a secure, encrypted connection between a user and a network over the internet. It allows remote users to access internal company resources safely. VPNs protect data from interception, especially on public Wi-Fi. IT support often assists users with VPN setup, troubleshooting connection issues, and ensuring secure access to company systems. 16. How do you handle password reset requests? I first verify the user's identity according to company policy. Once confirmed, I reset the password using Active Directory or the relevant system. I ensure the user creates a strong password and understands security guidelines. If password resets happen frequently, I may suggest password management best practices. Maintaining security while providing quick assistance is always the priority. 17. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing allows users to access data, applications, and services over the internet instead of local servers. Examples include Google Drive, Microsoft Azure, and AWS. Cloud services improve scalability, accessibility, and cost efficiency. IT support assists users with cloud access, synchronization issues, and permissions. Understanding cloud platforms is increasingly important in modern IT environments. 18. What is the role of documentation in IT support? Documentation helps record solutions, procedures, and system configurations. It ensures consistency and saves time when similar issues occur. Good documentation also helps new team members learn faster. In IT support, documenting steps taken and resolutions improves accountability and service quality. Clear documentation turns individual knowledge into team knowledge. 19. What is phishing? Phishing is a cyber attack where attackers trick users into revealing sensitive information through fake emails or websites. These messages often appear legitimate. IT support helps prevent phishing by educating users, implementing email filters, and responding quickly to incidents. Awareness and training are the best defenses against phishing attacks. 20. How do you stay updated with technology? I stay updated by reading tech blogs, watching tutorials, taking online courses, and practicing hands-on labs. I also learn from real-world troubleshooting experiences. Technology evolves constantly, so continuous learning is essential in IT support. Staying current helps me provide better solutions and adapt to new tools quickly. 21. What is a firewall? A firewall is a security system that monitors and controls network traffic based on rules. It protects systems from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Firewalls can be hardware-based or software-based. IT support helps configure firewalls and troubleshoot connectivity issues caused by firewall rules. 22. What is SLA? An SLA, or Service Level Agreement, defines the expected response and resolution times for support services. It sets clear expectations between IT and users. Meeting SL ensures quality service and customer satisfaction. IT support teams use SLAs to prioritize and manage workload efficiently. 23. What would you do if you don't know the solution to a problem? If I don't know the solution, I don't guess. I research the issue, consult documentation, ask senior colleagues, or escalate appropriately. Transparency is important. Users appreciate honesty and effort. Every unknown issue is also a learning opportunity. 24. Why do you want to work in IT support? I enjoy solving problems and helping people. IT support allows me to combine technical skills with customer service. Each day brings new challenges, which keeps the role interesting. It's also a strong foundation for career growth in IT. 25. Why should we hire you? You should hire me because I bring strong technical fundamentals, a customer-focused mindset, and a willingness to learn. I communicate clearly, document my work, and remain calm under pressure. I'm committed to resolving issues efficiently while maintaining security and professionalism. And that wraps up our top 25 IT support interview questions and answers. If you've watched till the end, you're already ahead of most candidates. Remember, interviews aren't just about knowing answers. They're about explaining your thinking clearly and confidently. Practice these responses, adapt them to your experience, and walk into your interview prepared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone preparing for an IT career. See you in the next video. Good luck!